Today I'm gonna show you how to change ABS sensor on the 2018 Atlas, Volkswagen Atlas. I got the sensor over here. This is the sensor right here. I got it from Rock Auto. That's the part number if y'all need that. This is what the sensor looks like. Ain't really that big. Got one bolt, so it shouldn't be that hard to change. Look down in that hole right there. That's a sensor. Got just one little bolt on it. You will need a Torx 30 to get that off. That's all you need. It's Torx 30. That's what size it is. Stick that in there. Like that. We got it loose. I'm finished taking it out. So I can show you how to pop this little tab off. Just gonna take a screwdriver, stick in that tab, and it come off like that. That's what the old one looked like. Got 2 pins in there. You wanna make sure the new one got the same amount of pins. The new one got 2 pins. They look identical, so just gonna take it. Pop it back on there. So I got the sensor back plugged in. I'm just gonna put it back in that hole. So my light stay on it, so y'all can see. Push it in there. Take your little bolt. I'm gonna stick the bolt back in there. Tighten it back up. And that's it. That's how you change the sensor on a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. This is a all-wheel drive. I don't know if it'll be different. This is a V6, so I don't know if it'll be different for a 4-cylinder or not. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you like the content, you know what I'm saying, like, subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of more projects I'm working on. I got I just rebuilt, well, me and my cousin just rebuilt a Ford Ranger engine, and we're gonna be putting that back in the truck pretty soon, so we're gonna have that on the channel. I'm building me a workshop, 24 by 24. You go check out some of my other videos. You're gonna see that on there. And yeah, I got a lot of projects coming up, so you know what I'm saying. If you like the content, just subscribe. And so I'll see y'all soon. Appreciate it.